Hey guys, this is Vincent, and in this Lightroom Classic tutorial, we're just going to wrap up the library module and just discuss a few things. So we learned a few things in this module, but the main things you need to understand or remember is how to import photos, how to export photos, as well as just organizing your photos on your hard drive or on your external hard drive in a logical sense and breaking it down into folders and subfolders. A lot of the other stuff in the library module, it's not important, such as like keywording or metadata, unless you want to further organize your photos. Because the main thing in Lightroom is you want to have a decent way of organizing your photos or managing them. And then we need to get into the develop module, which is the cream of the crop and the real power of Lightroom. And a few other things is, for example, like I showed you the export button here, but you can also right click on the photos in the film strip and export from here. So a lot of the options of tagging or flagging your photos are here as well. So Lightroom makes it pretty easy to do the same task in different ways, as well as if you go to your file and your preferences or the edit options in the main menu bar at the top. But other than that, don't sweat it with the library module in Lightroom. Just remember to import, export, and organize your photos into a logical sense that makes sense to you, into folders and subfolders. And just one more other thing, when you do import and you have raw files, make sure to copy them as DNG to save space on your drives. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. Have a good one.